Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, in the house at Farpoint Farms. You don't see that too often here on the channel. What I've got in front of me is something that you don't ever really get to see. The whole part of the Farpoint Farms YouTube channel where I sit in a chair all day and pitter-patter away editing videos. Not glamorous, not fun. I don't really like sitting around, but that's part of it. Now, let me show you the chair that I currently have. Yeah, so that's what I've got. I bought that used at Goodwill in 2014, and it was as ugly as you see it right there. This, the OC4B-SD-FT, hopefully will make sitting around and editing videos a whole lot more fun, or at least more comfortable. I'm looking forward to checking this thing out. Hopefully the assembly's not too difficult, but yeah, we'll see what it is here. Ergonomic office chair, it says here, and it's got some pretty cool stuff going on here. I'm wondering if there's any tools needed. I think everything just kind of clips together. Nope, there's tools, but it comes with an Allen wrench. So let me go ahead and take everything out of the box. We'll see what we got, and we will put it all together. Let's do it. All right, so after we get everything unboxed, we're gonna slide these in here. That's our first thing. We're gonna use the included Allen wrench here. And everything is labeled nicely. I like this little blister pack here that has, well, should have got an actual knife, but everything is labeled and everything is kind of in its own spot here. So these all go in. You can see this kind of has this downward slope to it. These all go in here like so. I'm going to slide that out just to get that out of the way for right now. And there's threaded holes here on the bottom, so these are our legs. We'll get all these installed. I imagine installation of this probably 20 minutes from the looks of it. Of course, there might be something I'm missing here, but it just doesn't seem all that difficult right out of the gate. Now, the one I've been using is a low back. This one's high back. It's also made out of like, it's almost like mosquito netting type material. It breathes, so shouldn't get too hot in the summertime sitting in it, you know, which is kind of cool. I don't think I've ever assembled an office chair before. I always buy them used. Goodwill is the place for that sort of stuff usually. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to slide our riser right there. All right, look at that. It's starting to look like a chair already. All right, looks like the next thing we're going to be doing is installing the back piece here, so I'll roll that out of the way. And we've got this. This is our floor bottom, our bottom here. What we want to do is this piece, right? We're going to be attaching this brace here. And it just kind of sits like so. And Q4 is the name of the game there. Okay, so with those all tightened up, you have this fancy chrome piece back here. We're going to install that, hopefully without there we go. Right, so that's all set. All right, we'll set that aside. Let's take a look at what's next. Okay, number 4. Looks like we've got a whole lot going on. So we got this piece here. This is our bottom. And we've got these two here. So that would be, where would that be? Would it be these? Or like this? Oh yeah, just like that. So we got these two, and these are installed with R4s, or 4 of the R-sized ones. Right. Once those two are installed, we have these 2 metal rods here. And they are going to slide in. I'm trying to see which side slides in. I think it's okay. So that's like this little footrest thing you have here that you can slide in and out. Cool. All right, with that piece installed, we'll move it on to the next side here, and we are going to install our left and right arms. All right, with those parts installed, we're now ready to install our bottom bracing. And let's see, it's gonna sit like that. It doesn't really say. Q4, and it looks like out of all these dots here, you're going to want to go to the ones all the way in the back, it looks like. And those are Q size screws, which are, let's see here, where is our Qs? There we go. And we had 4 of those left. We're going to use all the 4 right now. All right, we're running out of pieces. That's a good thing because I'm getting tired of sitting on the floor. I'm ready to sit in this thing. All right, install back to seat. So we've got, how is that going to go on there? I imagine it's like that, right? Yep. And what's it we used here? We use S3. We have 3 very long pieces here. And those are going to go through. All right, there we go. The next step, I can handle the next step. We're going to mount the base here onto the top of this. Oh yeah, good stuff. Okay. Well, I am a little concerned about one thing, and that is that I got 2 extra screws, but maybe they're for a different model. I'm going to go back through here while I enjoy sitting in this. Oh wow, the lumbar support back here is awesome. I'll take the camera off the tripod here in a second, show you around. Okay, so we have controls. So I imagine one of these. Oh yeah, there's our height adjust, so you can click on that and raise and lower it. The other one here, if we want to have our footrest out, it flips out like that. Oh, that's great. And lastly, I think it's this one. No, that's the raise and lower, isn't it? Oh yeah. Okay, so the whole tail end can slide forward. These also adjust, and they can cock in or out if you need them. And then lastly, I don't know, there it is. Oh yeah, there's so full recline. Oh wow, okay, yeah. Well, I don't know if I get any work done in this thing, but it sure is comfortable just like it is right here. A little bit of an upgrade from the $5 one that I've had from Goodwill since 2014. Let me take the camera off the tripod. I'll do a quick walk around, and that'll wrap up this video. I'll leave a link to a course where you can get one of these. So here it is. I think the part I like the most is this lumbar support, and it's adjustable. You have a lever here you can adjust that with, so you can tighten that up or loosen it up. And here's the whole unit up close and personal. It's that like see-through mesh, but it's spring-loaded. Yeah, pretty cool. Rolls well too. All right, well, till next time, my friends. Take care.